If you're new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Y'all know that with human hair, I have to try a company like 3 or 4 times before I 100% vouch for my absolute rotation. So I have started to branch out and try to find some companies that I see online but I've never ordered hair from, and we have found one, okay? Let's hope that this is a company that we will love. The name of the company is YMY Hair, and that stands for You Meet Yourself, okay, when you seek beauty. Okay, so I mean, I can get down with that. That's cute. What I do like more than any of that is the hard packaging that this box or that this wig came in. All I've done was take it out of its shipping packaging because I want to do everything on camera with y'all. So it came in this hard box with their logo on the front. Let's see what else is in here. All right, other than the wig, they've also included an edge band with their name on it, some eyelashes, a clip, some HD stocking caps, and a silk storage case with their name on it as well. So, okay, cute, basic little extras. Let's look at this wig. I can't remember what I ordered. So, look at that description box, because y'all, I order so much here, I don't remember. I do see on here that this wig is 26 inches long, so I don't know what I was thinking about that. But it's 26 inches long. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that's very pretty. The curl pattern on this is very nice, y'all. Look how pretty that is. Take this netting off. Hold on. Yeah, that is so pretty. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. It doesn't have an awkward smell. I know y'all. You know I'm going to sniff it every time. Also attached to the wig, let me cut this off, is a care card, okay? And a QR code so you can scan to their social medias. All right, so this wig is very, very pretty. I got a lot of parting space on this one. So look at the description box because I can't remember what I ordered, but that you can park this left, right, middle, half up, half down. You can do whatever with the amount of parting space that I've gotten on this wig. You get a comb to the right, a comb to the left, and they put a comb on the crown, which is really nice. In the back, you also have a comb and some adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable glueless band. This is very, very pretty just on my hand. We will see what it looks like on my head. What I'm going to do is put this on, probably wet these curls down, comb them out, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts on YMY Hair. Be right back. Okay. YMY, 10 out of 10 for this first unit. This is just a gorgeous, affordable beginner wig, beginner friendly wig. I'm in love with this one. Y'all know what's going to happen this weekend when I sit down to order hair. I will definitely be picking up another unit from YMY Hair because this one just blew all the other human hair that I filmed today out of the water. This is so gorgeous, so easy. I have not a single complaint about this wig. Something else that I enjoy about this wig, the cap was super stretchy and that glueless band was adjustable, the combs removable, all that stuff. The reason why that matters to me is because this wig feels so comfortable yet secure on my head. Oftentimes that's my problem when I'm wearing wigs. Sometimes it'll feel too tight to where I'm ready to take the wig off. I could wear this one for an extended period of time and feel fine because it is literally adjusted for my head. So I love, that's probably my number one favorite quality, my number one favorite part of this wig. But after that is these curls, y'all. And y'all know normally I don't go for long hair like this, but the curls and the density on this wig make this a must have. Okay, I don't have a single complaint. So like I said, I will definitely go through and order 1 or 2 more units from them. In the comments, tell me some other styles that you guys would like to see from them because I'll be sure to pick those up. In the description box, you see a direct link to this wig as well as all the details. And I'll put YMY social medias on there so you can go and play around because this one is a must, y'all. I think we found a new favorite human hair company. Talk to me in the comments, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.